western Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Norristown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Collegeville, Royersford, Trapp, Schwenksville, Valley Forge, King of Prussia, and Spring Mount. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 316 and 327. Northeast extension between mile markers 26 and 31. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.